Let's prepare a delicious Gricia. Remove the rind from the pork cheek and cut it into strips. Put water on the heat and in the meantime, let the pork cheek sweat at low temperature. Meanwhile, prepare the cheese mix 3/4 Pecorino Romano and 1/4 Parmesan, adding a generous sprinkle of black pepper. When the water is boiling, add the bucatini, yes, I chose bucatini. And turn off the heat from the pork cheek, which should now be crispy. Pour the bucatini, 3/4 cooked, into the pan with the pork cheek, adding 2 ladles of cooking water, and toss until creamy and emulsified. Remove from heat and wait for 30-40 seconds to lower the temperature, then add the cheese, mixing and tossing. If necessary, add a bit of cooking water and continue tossing until the cheese has created a creamy consistency. This is the result. Enjoy your meal.